Dumelang. Welcome back to Setswana class. Go lebaka re kopane. It's been a long time since we spent time together. Ke tlile go simolola go le ruta diane. I am going to start teaching you guys idioms. So, buckle up. Fa nne dikeletso e le dipitse, re ne re tla di bona ka mebala ya tsona. If wishes were horses, we'll see them by their colors. Now, there's a lot of things we can learn from this idiom, but we're just going to focus on the idiom itself. Now, I could go on and on trying to explain what this idiom means, but I think it's clear and straightforward. Now, it is common to hear this idiom being used on a daily basis, and it's a really cool one. So, use it. Go tlwaelesegile go utlwa seane se se dirisiwa mo letsatsing. Gape se sentle, so se dirise. One of Botswana's favorite and big artists from Setswana used this idiom in one of his songs, Bantatola ke Tshela. I'm going to steal one of his examples on the song because I think it's really cool. So he went to a trip in South Africa and people started saying he passed away. And on the song he say, "Fane dikeletso tsa fetoga dipitse. Gongwe nka be ke sa bo. Gongwe nka be ke ile ko lefatsheng le sele." Now, there are two ways we can understand what he's trying to say here, but I'm going to pick one. He's basically saying if people's wishes of him dead were true, he probably will be dead. Go fitlhela re kopana gape mo nakong e tlang. Go siame. Salang sentle. Until we meet again next time, goodbye.